Ever wondered why that restaurant style veg mayonnaise sandwich tastes so much better? That creamy filling, the texture, it just hits different. But not anymore. Today I'll show you the exact tricks that make it taste just like the cafe style right at home. Let's begin with one cucumber, peel it, cut off the ends and grate it using the large whole side of the grater. Now take a bowl, place a muslin cloth over it and transfer the grated cucumber on top. Next, one carrot, peel it, chop off the ends and grate it the same way. Add that to the cloth. Take one small onion, finely chop it and soak it in water for a few minutes. This removes the sharp bite. After that, drain and add it to the cloth too. Now gather the cloth and gently squeeze out all the moisture. This step makes a big difference to the final texture. In a separate bowl, add 1 cup of veg mayonnaise. Now add 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper and 1/4 teaspoon sugar. Mix it all together. Then add the squeezed veggies into this mayo and mix well until everything is evenly coated. Now let's refrigerate this mix for 10 to 15 minutes. This helps it thicken up a little and gives better texture while spreading. We are using the whole wheat brown bread here, soft, light and healthy. Take 4 slices, trim off the corners. On 2 slices spread some butter. On the other 2 spread our cold mayo filling. Adjust the quantity to your liking. Cover with the buttered slices and gently press down. Cut diagonally and just look at that. The creamy loaded cafe style. This sandwich is perfect for tiffin, quick lunch, as a party snack or just a fancy breakfast. That's it, your cafe style veg mayonnaise sandwich at home. No secret sauces, just simple tips that make all the difference. Try it once and you won't go back to the store bought. A quick recap, the 3 simple tricks that made all the difference. First is draining all the moisture from veggies so the sandwich doesn't turn soggy. Second is mixing everything well with the right seasoning. And third is chilling the mayo mix for a creamy texture and cafe style bite. These small steps bring a big taste, just like your favorite market sandwich, but even better. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you try it, let me know how it turned out for you. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Yummy Vibes for more such easy, tasty recipes. See you in the next one.